This, yeah, it's a dream come true. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it.
You're getting choked up.
Yeah.
And you're all smiley today. Why are you all smiley today?
I'm super happy. This is a dream come true, and I just got my trailer.
Who's gonna be your first customer? Is it
Oh yeah, where's the food? We are a fully plant-based vegan Puerto Rican food. It's sustainable for the environment.
Mofongo is amazing.
Our food is our fuel. So part of what I do is what we know in our cultures as food. I translate that in a plant-based recipe.
The one in the middle is going to be your interior.
I've been vegan for 10 years now after a diagnosis of 2 brain aneurysms. And after that, I was able to heal through the food that I was eating and the change of my lifestyle. That's why part of my mission after that process was to build Boca Fresca for my culture and for all the cultures out there. So I just go there? 1, 2, really? It was perfect. It was just perfect. The energy comes within us and with the trailer.
Tony, how was she to work with? Did you enjoy working with her?
I'm awesome.
Tony, she's the best.
Same.
There's no words to describe how grateful I am with you, and you know that.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes, it was not only the trailer, but we've built a relationship through the years, and she was always, every time that she got something, she was always letting me know. And when the time was perfect, everything happened.
It doesn't always happen the first time. Sometimes
Yes.
it takes time.
But the moment is always perfect.
Yes.
So for that, I'm more than grateful, and you know that. I'm very, yeah, and for this will bring many smiles and a lot of happiness to many people.
Oh, I'm very full bellies. Our food's amazing. Amazing.
One of my signature dishes is the pernil. It's all fully plant-based pernil. Chicharrones, mofongo, our mixed rice and beans, or the arroz con gandules apastelado. So it's part of tostones, and every Puerto Rican delicatessen, it's gonna be there. Part of what we do as a vegan community here in Central Florida and in Florida is that we help and we support each other. I'm very grateful with all the community out there, but also with my friends from Flora, Joshi and Paulette, and all the support that I've been receiving from them and from everyone else.
Yeah, it's about community, it's about moving forward, expanding plant-based movement, being healthy for the self and for the planet, for sure. Yeah, thank you.
Beautiful.